Okay, guys, and good morning. We are back at it, and we are about to talk about the top of pre-market gainers. These stocks are exploding this morning right now. So it's about to be a bullish day today for certain reasons. If you didn't see my last video that I did just put out, as you know, every single morning I do update what the market conditions are about to be. And you got some very bullish news coming out. You got the launch of Trump Fi. You got the launch of Trump Fi coin. You got futures that are about to start getting bullish. They're flat right now. We got bullish projections on SPY, IWMQQ. It's a bullish one all across the board right now. You got MGOL at the top of the pre-market gainer list. Once again, MGOL has been picking up day by day by day from the very beginning. Since MGOL is up at this 40 cents, like check this out on your 4 hour chart. Look back on MGOL. This 40 cents right here is finna be the big test that they can get past. I beat over all over all of these stocks. I don't even have to be looking back to know where their big resistance is. And you get more used to that stuff when you get more experience in the markets. And I do recommend that you be over everything as much as you can. Okay, so if they can break past this, which MGOL does have enough power backing them up right now too, especially if the markets do remain going in more bullish. MGOL is not the most powerful stock on the market. Never has been the most powerful stock on the market. This stock can crash down instantly. It has before. MGOL is another easy one. Getting alert out along in the bank. We just call all the coaches over MGOL. Coach Master say he up about 200% in this stock right now because this stock has already been running for a couple days now. I really don't think it's gonna hold up. I think it's gonna pull it back. I mean, MGO is a very, very extremely risky stock. And again, have you seen those things down at the very beginning? See those things yesterday. Off the parabolic scan bot. I like to use the parabolic scan bot for the day trades and breakouts early morning. If you actually up that early. And I really don't like to go for day trades like that. Like when I'm day trading, I'm going for IWM and spot. It's like you want to be seeing me like in the intraday trying to catch this stock. Oh, the market opened up. This stock doing this and that. For me, it's either and for majority of everybody in bank as you can see, we getting into a safe, easy early at the bottom and then writing that thing up. And then as you can see people liking the gains here because most people are swing traders and most people know that they are swing traders. So they ready to lock in gains there. And they're not even worried if this stock is going to continue to go to $1 because they're going to lock in their gains there and they're going to get that next money off the next stock that's about to explode right now. A more advanced trader is going for options in the opening or and then you don't have to go in the opening. Like if you wait till like 9:30 and like 9:30 and 10:30, almost every hour, then the market's hit like a big reversal. Like literally almost every hour. Then you got CYTH, the cyclotherapeutics. They go from about 74 cents to about $1.52. They do not get too active too often at all, ever, as you can see. With an average volume of 45,000, they do get a current volume of 14.10 million and a free float of 17.11 million on CYTH stock right now. Short interest decent in CYTH. I want to go see what that pressure looking like at this exact moment on your analysis order flow over on your Moo investing platform. It ain't no extra large is coming in or out. It's interesting. We'll go down to 15-minute chart. Nah, that big wave came in straight from all small retailers buying it up. That's crazy. Imagine if the big wells like this now. This will go crazy if the big wells say that they like this one right now. Let's go back to a daily chart. I gotta see how high is this stock been. Okay. They got a gap. Oh, they already failed that gap towards 130. It's going to update. Okay, let's go back further. See what how far can this one go? They next stop up is gonna be $1.60. If they can even if they can even come in with the more power, no extra large is coming in, small retail. Small retail is gonna be knowing what they got going on. They gonna sell that thing right back off. CYTH stock. Some of these stocks might be moving into the most like CYTH is in a MGOL. Both of these two are in some prime positions to push into the top most active stocks on the market for today. And there was another one, CYN stock, I believe. I think CYN stock, I believe, is one of the hottest penny stocks right now. They probably end up being back on the most active list as well. That was a good alert there, Coach Crawford. Coach Crawford definitely always throws us some fireplace. Coach Crawford's section is one of my favorite sections. I like reading his sections, the most organized to me. Next, you got CDT. CDT, they go from about 145 up to $4, $3.94 to be exact, and they sell off very fast. Looking like they're trying to build support right here. A very choppy one. I like to see how that's consolidating down, but that's not a sign of bullish. That's still a sign of bearish coming in. You can see clear bearish divergence actually getting made on CDT stock right now. Another one with some good news about how Conduit Pharmaceuticals transitions to phase two in the Sobor collaboration. I think CYTH came out and they were on track for a top line data for the 50 from for the data from a 48-week interim analysis of 104 enrolled patients. And they've been working on whatever they've been working on for 48 weeks, huh? And these health sites, they take so long sometimes. Like look at this. Look at CDT. I'm gonna go back to a monthly chart. Look at it. Like they take so long sometimes. Like this was back in September 2023 when it first came out. Yeah, they take forever. It's 2025 now. Just to come in for a move. It's like those health stocks, bro. Hey, don't fall in love with no health stock, bro. You better off falling in love with an EV or something like that before you fall in love with that health stock. That health stock gonna have you all messed up. CDT, another one that was just popping up on the 52-week lows. A video I just made about a day or so ago, and being put out along in the banking with Billy Discord along in my section. CDT for that $2 or lower, getting in for that swing trade. Now, like I said, when I put out the list of upcoming swings, like 10 stocks, you're not gonna be able to catch them all. You're gonna get what you can while you can. And we've seen CDT come in for moves before. I don't like CDT stock. CDC stock always selling off. All these stocks always selling off. In fact, every single stock I'm looking at here, every stock we ever come across on the market. This is SIM. So this thing got $40. This thing already out for it. They got 11 volume. That's not 11,000. That's 11 volume. 11 volume made this thing explode 50%. What kind of whale's buying up this? What kind of whale is buying up this from $25 that made it explode? What 11 people? That's crazy. Make it go to $40. It's too late for me, and I don't even want to look at it no more. You got UPC. It's a questionable one. Well, all these health stocks exploding right now. You got UPC, Universal Pharmaceuticals, up at 20 cents. They up still like 26%. They were just up like 60% though. At 31 cents. UPC. I don't get a chance to type this one in too often because this one don't ever pop up. UPC. See these health stocks. It must be. It gotta be. Let's go look at the end of it. If you on market or whatever app you on, you should be able to go down and see your heat map. And you can see your healthcare sector. Where healthcare at? Healthcare should be somewhere around here. Well, in any case though, you can go see your heat map, and then you'll be able to see what industries is actually getting bullish or getting bearish. And some people do like to trade off of the industry. I don't. No, I'm finna catch whatever's come across. What I do is this is what I do. I go to the 52-week lows, I go to new low, and there's like 50 different stocks on this list. They all got completely destroyed over the course of the last entire year and beyond. But they be the next ones in line. Just like all the ones I just showed you right now. Bounce off the 52-week lows. It'll be a little bit harder to decide what your favorite ones are if you're new to the markets. Like after you like been in the market for so long and been looking and been playing in all these stocks for so long, it's like I like NIVF because I know NIVF comes in for moves easier than PITA, you know. But look at these stocks; these are some hot ones. I'm gonna get ready to update these later on as well. And these are the top gainers for the pre-market. As the markets do get ready to open up, you'll be seeing a wave of bullishness coming in. Let's go look at BTC. Especially as long as BTC. Look at this, back up to that 100,000 right now on BTC, sitting good. Wow, I just missed that extra spike up in there. I was probably about 400% off of that, and still sitting good. I'm still about to hold for that bull run. You can use the classroom scanner I'll be having set and live all day, showing you what your targets and resistances and buy and sell signals are. Please just running out. I am getting ready to as well alert out what the IWMs and spies and all that stuff. You already know what I'm going for. I'm finna catch it all anyways. I'm Billy Banks. I'll see y'all in there and happy trading.